it. We just left Cantwell about 9:45, just that away, and we're traveling east on the Denali Highway for about 200 miles today, going to Gulkana, which is near Glen Allen, and the first 135 miles are going to be on this beautiful road, Denali Highway, and this is what we get to look at the whole way. How pretty is it?
So we're around a little over 40 miles outside of Cantwell, still on the Denali Highway. And I'm not so sure we're gonna finish getting there because we keep getting views like this to stop and look at. So it's Sunday evening and we just got to Gulkana, Alaska, probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago, and got settled in to our cabin for tonight. Finished up a little over 200 miles on the Denali Highway, which was really amazing. And so we're settling in here. This is a dry cabin and has no electric. So we are just got a fire going. It's got a stove inside and gonna settle in for the evening. But yeah, it's your Alaska backcountry cabin style. Oh, whoa.
That was right. Here's our cabin for the night. Sunday, August 22nd. It has no electricity, no running water.
It has a mountain view.
It has a beautiful mountain view. It's got a wood burning.
That your manly husband made the fire for.
That if you can't hear him say it, that my manly husband made the fire for. It's got an upstairs up there, but we're not going to use that because we have to use the restroom too many times at night. We would break our necks in that ladder. So this is it, and we're in Gulkana, and it is a dry county, meaning no alcohol.
Means there's no fun to be had anywhere.
No beers to have in this mountain cabin.
So we are in Seward, Alaska, which took us
a long 330 miles on the bicycle.
On the bicycle, yes, that was a long bicycle ride. From Gulkana through Palmer, which was an awesome ride, and then down to Anchorage and Seward, and now we are at the main docks in Seward, and I'm going to show you if we can. Well,
tomorrow we're going to get on one of those boats and we're going to go see some glaciers and hopefully some whales.
Straight up. So That's Seward, Alaska. It's pretty awesome. Almost 20 miles from Anchorage. We came up from Seward this morning. Haven't done much videos or photos, if you can see with the weather. About probably 100 miles this morning. So.